Hi folks, this is Sarah from the VCU Office of Sustainability. I hope you're having a wonderful Earth Week. I'm here today to talk about buying dry goods in bulk in my local grocery store. I wanted to share a few tips for how I make my day-to-day activities a little more sustainable, and this is one of them. So what I mean when I say buying dry goods in bulk, I mean bringing my own packaging to the store, filling it with the dry goods I need, and reusing that packaging grocery visit after grocery visit. It's a great way to cut down on packaging waste, and it can actually save you money by the pound or by the ounce. So I'm going to just tell you the steps to take to prepare yourself for a visit to the grocery store to buy in bulk. So first and foremost, just go ahead and call your favorite grocery store. Not all of them offer dry goods in bulk, but a lot of them do. So make sure they offer that service. Also, in this time of COVID-19, make sure you understand any additional safety protocols they put in place, because when you are purchasing dry goods in bulk, you're using things like scoops or spoons to take the product from the larger vessel into your packaging. So I just wanted to share that quick note. So that's step one. Once you find a grocery store near you that offers it, go ahead and make your grocery list. A few things I like to buy in bulk are so you got nutritional yeast, rice, popcorn, sunflower seeds for making sunflower seed pesto, coffee, and a lot of spices in bulk. This is oregano, this is cardamom. So after you've made your list, go ahead and scour your house for containers. So you just saw a lot of mason jars. That's what I use, but you can use anything that can be cleaned out and weighed, and that has a top to keep your goods secured. So this is an old coffee tin. This is actually my decaf coffee. Let's see what else. You've got yogurt containers are really excellent for this. This is an old mixed nut container, awesome for stuff you need a lot of, like lentils or rice perhaps. Also, if you forget a small container, for example, sometimes stores will have these little packets you can use for free for small things like spices. So once you find your containers, head to the store, and when you find the bulk goods section, go ahead and first and foremost look for the scale if you haven't before weighed your containers. So let's say you've got this mason jar right here. You're going to want to put the jar on the scale with the top on, so the top gets weighed as well, and go ahead and affix 2 pieces of masking tape to the jar before you weigh it. I like to bring my own and my own Sharpie just in case those aren't available. So the first thing you're going to write is this tare weight, which just means how much weight they're going to subtract at the register, so you're not paying for your packaging. So this mason jar is a little under a pound. And the second thing you're going to want to write is the item code, so that they know how much to charge you per pound or per ounce. So that's it. You pack your dry goods, your spices, your supplies into your chosen containers, take them to the register, and as long as they are labeled, the associate will know exactly how much to subtract, so that you're only paying for the product and not the packaging. I hope this has been helpful, y'all. And if you have any questions about purchasing bulk dry goods, please feel free to email sustain@vcu.edu. I hope you all have a wonderful day. Thanks for listening.